Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Accessing your 2025 university enrollment form is straightforward when you have a clear plan. It can seem a bit daunting, but with the right guidance, you'll navigate the process easily. This video breaks down everything into simple, actionable steps. We'll cover exactly where to look and what to do, ensuring you're fully prepared to secure your spot for the upcoming academic year. You'll feel confident completing this crucial first step towards your future studies. Enrollment forms for 2025 typically become available in late summer or early fall of 2024. While specific dates vary by institution, starting your search around August or September is a good practice. Always prioritize checking the official university website for the most accurate and current information. Third-party sites can be misleading, potentially providing outdated links or incorrect application windows. Stick to direct university portals to ensure you're getting reliable details. The most direct path to finding your enrollment form is typically through the university's main admissions page. Once on the university website, look for prominent links usually labeled Admissions, Apply Now, or Prospective Students. These sections are specifically designed for future applicants. Many universities utilize a centralized application portal, which you'll access directly from these pages. Don't hesitate to use the site's internal search bar if you're having trouble locating it. Gathering all your essential documents and information before you even begin filling out the form is a smart move. This preparation streamlines the entire process, saving you time and reducing potential stress. Common requirements often include your official academic transcripts, some form of personal identification, and sometimes a personal statement or essays. Make sure you have digital copies of everything, organized and ready for upload, ensuring a smooth and efficient application experience. Double-checking every single section of your form carefully before final submission is absolutely crucial. A small error could cause delays. Pay very close attention to all deadlines and any specific submission requirements for your chosen program, as these can vary. After you hit submit, you should typically receive an immediate confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox for any potential follow-up requests or interview invitations from the university. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.